Hey guys, so it's before work for me. I'm doing my makeup and I have some new stuff that I think I kind of want to do a first impression on because I haven't seen much about it. But I have the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk and it's a nourishing foundation. It's vegan, cruelty free, supposed to be sheer buildable coverage, instant and all day hydration, blur imperfections, even out skin tone, no talc, parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates, mineral oil, sulfates, and fragrance. So, and there was a couple other things in the line with it. So I got 2 of the Clean Fresh cream blushes. I got $3.30 and $3.90. So those look cute. And then also there was a cooling glow stick, which is like a stick highlighter. So this is in the shade Opal Dreams. I look scary right now because my eyebrows are done. So I'm gonna put my hair up so that it's out of the way. It's actually silicone based because there's quite a few silicones in there right at the beginning. So for my primer, I'm just gonna stick with CoverGirl because I have this one here. So I'll use the True Blend Base Business Skin Smoothing Primer, and I'm gonna put primer all over my face because I always use primer. So there's no point in really, at least for my purposes, testing it without primer. So I'm just gonna put primer on. But I'm going to see how it applies with a sponge, and then I'm going to see how it applies with a brush. It's a pretty thin consistency. Not that thin. I'm going to do my right side with a sponge. So this is the e.l.f. sponge. This is my favorite sponge. It's definitely a light coverage. But it says it's buildable, so I'm going to put some more on and see how buildable it is. As far as like blurring, I don't know if it's really doing that too much for me. I have dry skin, so we will see how it wears, because it says it's super hydrating throughout the day. Sometimes foundations don't look too good on me by the end of the day. And this is the brush side. I'm using this brush from Masked. It's the buffing brush. Right off the bat, I kind of like how this brush is applying. And I've gotten really used to using a sponge. Like, I pretty much use a sponge for everything. But I actually like how the brush is going. I think it's because it's not absorbing it so much. It's giving it more coverage. I like it. Another layer. If I'm being totally honest, CoverGirl almost never puts out stuff that I actually want to spend my money on. Because like, I've gotten to the point where I have enough makeup that like it takes a little bit more to interest me. And I'm also not somebody who's like rolling in money, so I can't just like buy whatever I want. So the fact that they were able to put out something or a few products that I was actually like, okay, I kind of want to try them, that's pretty impressive. And it probably has something to do with the cute packaging, honestly. I am a marketing team's dream. I'm going over my sponge side with the brush. Because we have a cream blush and a cream highlighter, I'm going to use a cream contour, cream bronzer. This one's from Jordana. It's the Sculpt and Go. That was so Wisconsin. It's the Sculpt and Go creamy contour stick, and it's in the shade medium. And I actually love this. It blends so well. So now for the blush, I've got 2 shade options. I'm thinking I'm probably going to go with the light one, but I'll swatch them both. So this is $3.90. This is $3.30. Pretty full-on shimmer. I'm actually a little scared of that one, but We're gonna do it anyway. And then I'm gonna use the Real Techniques stippling brush. And I'm going to put some on my hand. Okay, gonna go back to my foundation brush. Well, I think that looks pretty cute. But I actually like that. I like how that looks. So that's the blush. So far, I'm thinking it's going well. And then for the cooling glow stick, there she is. And I'll do a swatch. It is really cooling. Then I'm gonna blend it with, I guess I'll just blend it with my foundation brush because I don't really have anything to blend it with. I think that's so cute. I'm gonna set my face with a little bit of powder just cause I'm not crazy. Actually, not even gonna add any extra blush on top. Normally with a cream blush I would. I don't know if that like defeats the purpose, but I'm not going to in this case just because I want to see if it like fades really bad. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back. So I finished my makeup and finished like, I didn't do anything else to my face, but this is how it's looking with makeup. I'm gonna try to check in on my lunch. We will see. So that'll be, it's like 9 o'clock now, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So that'd be like 6 hours. And then I get done with work at 6. So then that would be 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. And I don't think this has any claims. Yeah, it doesn't claim to last a certain amount. So, I mean, we'll see how we're looking at 9 hours. And then maybe I'll keep it on longer. Yeah, so I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, so I didn't check in during my lunch. I just didn't come home during my lunch, so I couldn't check in. But now it is 8:42, so after work I was like shopping and stuff, so I didn't get back here right away. But it's been on for close to 12 hours now, probably like 12 hours. And honestly, like I'm very satisfied with how it looks at the end of the day. Like I don't often have my foundation look this good at the end of the day, and I think it's because it's so hydrating and because I have really dry skin. Usually foundation like clings to my dry patches and that looks ugly to say the least. I don't know, I feel like I don't think I would really expect a foundation to wear any or like look any better than this after 12 hours considering I did 2 layers and didn't set it with like that much powder. I feel like it wore really well, and maybe the lack of powder is what helped it like not like separate and do gross things and cling to stuff because it was too dry. But it definitely feels tacky and my face has felt like this all day, but it doesn't really transfer. And the blush stayed like pretty vibrant throughout the day. The highlighter is pretty vibrant. I'm satisfied. So those are my thoughts on the new CoverGirl Clean Fresh line. Let me know if you guys try it and if you like it. I got them at Walgreens. I can't remember how much they were. I'll put the prices somewhere. I like them. Good job, CoverGirl. You finally did something. You finally made something I like. Good one. Bye.